Hey guys, it's Ollie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and happy Easter. So to celebrate today, we are going to be doing a little bit of an Easter egg hunt for my dogs. I'm going to be making them some peanut butter and apple treats, and making some for some of my friends as well, and then doing a small Easter egg hunt with just some plastic eggs, just in this little area over here in my entryway. But yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. A couple of disclaimers right off the bat is that I am no means an expert. If I am doing anything that you maybe think is harmful for dogs, please let me know in the comments down below. I will say the plastic eggs can be dangerous. You need to be careful with them. But definitely make sure that they are monitored heavily whenever they are around the plastic eggs. A lot of dogs can break them and try to swallow them. It's not really a good time. Daisy is relatively okay with them, and they will be very closely monitored. They will not have access to these without me. And they will also not be cracking them open themselves. They're just going to be finding them, and I will be opening them for them. You will also notice that Ruby is a little skinny. We are seeking vet advice and assistance for that, but we think it might be like a thyroid issue, but we haven't gotten any for sure tests done quite yet. Also, you'll be seeing me use a peanut butter for the treats. Make sure if you are using any kind of peanut butter or anything that might have a sweetener, you make sure that it is not a harmful sweetener. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it is, I'm going to be inserting it on the screen right here. If that is on the ingredient list, do not give it to dogs. It's very bad for them. It can cause a lot of issues. But I think that is all of the disclaimers I have for you, so let's go ahead and get right in the video. I think it's going to be a fun one. Go find your treats. Go find them. Good girl. There. Good job. Did you find one? Leave it, leave it. Did you find it? Good girl. Good job. Good girl. Did you find it? Good job. Good job. Okay, hold on. I'll go get it. Hold on. Good girl. Did you find one? Yeah. Did you find one? Good girl. Where's more? Good girl. You find another one? Okay, sit. Sit. Good girl. Here. Go find him. Good girl. Here. Good job. Okay, Ruby, go find him. Go find him.
One eternity later.
Did you find it? Is it right here? Good job. All gone. See? No more. Okay, you have one more. Where is it? Where is it, Ruby? Where is it? You got Sniffer. Where is it? Is it over here? Come check this out. Is it right there? Did you find it? Okay, hold on. Sit. Sit. Wait. You easy. Easy. Ah. Wait. Easy. Good girl. Good job, Ruby. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun. I think this is going to become a tradition in the house. Dogs really seem to like it. Ruby did better than I expected. Overall, it was super fun. I might have to include the cats next time, be a little bit more prepared, kind of know what I'm doing a little bit better. But let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Let me know if you're going to try something like this in the future. Just keep in mind the disclaimers from earlier. Don't forget to like this video for the algorithm. All of my links, including my Instagram, my art account, and my Facebook group will be linked in the description below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're into this kind of content, or really any animal kind of content. I upload every single Saturday around noon Eastern Standard Time, but you can hit the bell if you don't want to remember that. And as always, I will see you guys next week. Bye.